Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to a new session of Free Business Effective Courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. Proceeding to session 2. The first point of session 2 is resell to people who you have already sold to. It is the easiest way of making money, easier than finding new customers, especially in times where you need cash or trying to raise cash or you want to increase your cash flow. In business, you do not need to sell to tons of people if you can sell to the same people over and over again. Repeat purchases is essential. The next point of session 2 is do not get legal before you get rich. You can fix your legal stuff after you have already made money. Sort out the trademark, taxes, and getting an accountant, etc. after you have money coming in. The company should provide cash first. Do not fall into these traps that you have spent money without first getting the money. Making money is hard, but spending money is very easy. Coming to the next point of session 2 is use what you have. Making a list of all the things you have: house, car, people you know, your strength, etc. and find out how you can use them to make money. How can I get money in the assets I have? How can I put the assets I already have to use without incurring costs? It's cheaper to use your assets that you already have to take money rather than buying new assets to make or take money. And the last point of session 2 is staff need a clear objective. Staff either make you money or save you time, or both. Otherwise, you do not need staff. You need to audit your staff. How much money did they make in a month? How much do the staff cost? What tasks did they complete? How fast did they complete the task? If staff is useless, inefficient and costly, be ruthless and fire them. You have to teach staff your business ethics. Make sure they understand your business principles. And that is all, folks, for this session. The end. See you folks in the next session. Thank you and goodbye.